If you've read all the books, done all the research, and you still feel disconnected from your body, then you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Shannon from Somatic Body, and I bridge real clinical depth, the body, the nervous system, with feminine and energetic embodiment. Think of it as like science with soul, right? And so this channel is a place to come home to yourself with somatic practices, nervous system regulation practices, cyclical living education, and some honest conversations on embodiment and somatic practices, what that is, and how to get started. This channel kind of combines both the knowing with the feeling. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, I've got an array of things that I offer on this channel for you that are going to cater to that way of learning. So if any of this resonates, please subscribe and support me. And stay a little while, give it a go. And then if and when you feel ready to go a little bit deeper in your work with me, I have a free embodiment session. This is where we would start. And I always like to say it is a listening ear and never a sales call. So thank you for watching and thank you for supporting me. I'll see you around.